Okay. Armin just bought Buster a new toy. It's this ball thing. A lot of feathers on it at the end. I just got home and looks like Armin gave him the toy right before I came home, and this is the result of giving him the toy. Let's see, feathers here. Feathers here. Feathers here, there he goes. Fucking psycho. Man, he really likes that toy. There's freaking feathers everywhere.
As soon as I saw it in the outlet, oh my god, he's gonna love it. I just got it.
Saw some in the bedroom as well.
Yeah, there's only like 2 left on there.
These 2 feathers left. Look, Buster, you like this? Yeah, they're like coming apart. I can feel them. See, feathers. Oh, wait, there's more feathers. I think I saw feathers here too. Feathers. What? Buster. What? Buster. Buster. What? Buster.
Joined the car and oil industries to embrace a new clean car of
Look,
the future.
Buster.
With more than $1 billion federal dollars on the ground, over the next few years, the campaign for hydrogen fuel cell vehicles began to sway California. Hello there, and welcome to the California Fuel Cell Park.